Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today my son came into town and I decided to engrave him a glass so that he could take it back home and be the envy of all of his roommates. So the first thing I did is I went into Lightburn and engaged the turntable rotary attachment, figured out the diameter of the glass that I was going to be using, and then did a light coat of black spray paint. I used the Krylon flat, and I seemed to get pretty good results on it. You want to let it get mostly dry, say like 10-15 minutes, and that makes it super easy to get off with some acetone. So, I mean, these are my settings. Your results may vary. Also, I cut it at 90% power at 400 millimeters per minute, and I've had pretty good luck on that. It seems to give me a pretty good depth and doesn't end up fracturing the glass. So let me show you the process of it. Okay, so here we are all set up, ready to go. I have my text loaded in, and then I shrunk the y-axis of it because we're doing a rotary axis. Now also, be sure to click the mirror y-axis image on the rotary attachment. Otherwise, everything you do is going to be coming out backwards. I ended up doing probably about a 70% negative scale on the y-axis. So something that was like, say, 4 inches in the program and is now, say, about 1.5 inches. But that's something you're going to have to dink with. Like what I do is I have a sacrificial glass that I've engraved multiple things on. And I just run a test pattern, low laser power on it, so it doesn't engrave super deep to where you can just use it over and over and over. So that's something that I would encourage you to do. Just, whatever you're doing, just, use a sample to proof everything out. It's way easier than burning through a bunch of final product. So now that we have it all set up and I've proofed it out, put the new glass in, we're going to be sure to use our laser goggles because this laser light is not something to mess around with. You can totally damage your vision super quick. So goggles on, and we're going to go start. There it is. We just wait. Before you go and move anything on the setup, make sure that it's exactly like you want. I'm going to say it is, so check it out. Pretty cool. Now all we'll do is I'll take a blue shop rag, douse it with acetone, wipe it off, and we'll have the glass that's ready to run through the dishwasher first and then use. Of course, use the level of PPE that you're comfortable with. I was born in the 70s, so, I've had plenty of gasoline, acetone, all of that. Okay, and there you go. As you can see, let's see, let's get it with a little less reflection. But there you go. So this project took about, with the proof, this project took about 10 minutes, start to finish, proofing it to where we are now. So super easy, just use Lightburn. If you are going to buy one of these, go ahead and spend the extra $60 for Lightburn. It is so much better than laser Gerbil. I mean, laser Gerbil will work, but the functionality of Lightburn is just hands down so much better. So here you go. Here's a super easy project that you can do on your Creality Falcon 2 laser. These glasses I got out of Walmart. It was like 8 of them for like $14. So neat little holiday thing, if you're looking for like an arts and crafty type thing. Okay, let me know what you think in the comment section. Thanks for watching. What do you want? Oh! Hey, Temptations, where's my sponsorship? You have a brand ambassador right here. What the heck?